Welcome to our quick guide on how to delete a WhatsApp message in a group for everyone using the PC app, thanks to a new update. Let's dive right in. First, open up your WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the group chat, where the message you want to delete is located. You can find it in your chats list on the left side of the screen. Once you're in the group chat, scroll through the messages until you find the specific one you wish to remove. Now, here comes the important part. Once you've located the message, right-click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, click on Delete. You'll then see two options appear: Delete for me and Delete for everyone. Select Delete for everyone. This option allows you to remove the message not just from your chat, but from everyone else in the group as well. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on Delete. And that's it. The message will be removed from the group chat for everyone, ensuring the content is no longer visible. Remember, this feature is a handy way to maintain control over what you share in group chats. Just be mindful that the option to delete messages is time-sensitive, so be quick if you need to take action. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering WhatsApp.